Hello, welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about large numbers. If you see a very long number with lots of figures, maybe if you know the process, it's not so difficult to read. First, we need some keywords to make clear. The first one is hundred. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. It is used when we've got three figures. If there is a number of three figures, we need to use the word 100. Then, another keyword is thousand, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1,000. If there is a number with four figures, we probably would need to use this word too, and we've got to place it in the correct place. Then, million. Million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million, the difference between this word in English and in Spanish is that it has got double L here. The same as billion. Billion also has got double L here and then double I. So it's a problem for writing sometimes. When we read a large number, we need to do it in figures, in groups of three figures. That's important. And you must notice that in English, when in Spanish you can see some dots, there are some commas. So, for example, if we invent a number, for example, this one, number 7, here we can write a comma, 4, 3, 8, another one, 4, 9, 7, another one, and then another 3, for example, 9, 7, 3. Probably you are afraid about that number, but you need to group the numbers in groups of 3 and to split the number starting by the unit. Also, remember that every comma that you see has got a name, that is 1,000, the first commas that you can see in a number, then the million, and finally the billion. So, if you read the number properly and you aren't nervous, you will succeed. Let's see, for example, we start creating this number. The answer would be group of 3, only one number, 7. Then billion. 7,438. 430, THIRTY, hyphen 8. Remember that always after the word 100 there is an and, if there is something, and 38, the second one, million, We continue. 497 thousand and the last one 900 and 73. So the final result would be 7,438,497,973. That could be the correct written number. It's not so difficult, but we need to take into account that, for example, in Spain, when we talk in Spanish, we always say a plural word. So we could, a special mistake for Spanish speakers is when we hear somebody saying hundreds or thousands or millions or billions. But remember that in English there is no plural of any of these words. So when you use these words, you need to use them in singular. I hope this is it's going to be helpful for you, and good luck.